All right, here's our spot, honey.
I know.
Oh, you know.
Don't get your truck in the river.
I'm not gonna.
There's 2 rivers.
2 rivers.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna get your fishing pole ready, see if we can catch some fish.
And we're gonna show them to a camera?
Yeah, if we catch them. And if we don't catch any, we won't even make a video. You wanna let your dog out?
Free. Or just wants to drink something.
That's right.
Let's get my fishing pole.
Do you want a banana?
No, popcorn.
So we got Spicer this real basic old Zebco 202.
Popcorn.
You know, most of us started with a Zebco when we were kids, so.
I should say mud popcorn.
Mud popcorn.
Uh-huh.
Yuck. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I think.
But I think the current is gonna hurt us a little bit.
Dad, catch it. That actually almost fall in the water.
And we're just gonna sit and relax. Ain't this awesome?
Mm-hmm. And eat some good lunch. Dad, can I have banana? Can I have banana?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yummy. Banana makes you big and strong.
Yeah, it's one thing.
Maybe I got too much popcorn for the fish.
Yeah, maybe they're full on popcorn, you think? Here's your water, baby.
They got fish in it yet? So what are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm hanging out with my best friend fishing. What are you doing?
I'm hanging out with my friend Ashi.
Oh. I think we might need to find us a new spot. What do you think?
Yeah, because there are no fish here.
Heck yeah. Good job, Spice. Good job, Chili. All right, hold on tight.
There's a lot of rocks in this muddy road. I want to get fish.
Yeah, I do too. I'm hungry. So this is actually the Oconee River. Whoa. Oh no. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, me and Spicer found what looks to be a beach on the map, so we're gonna walk down. What do you say, Spicer? What was it?
A beach.
How far was it?
Way far away over there.
Way far away over there.
And we're walking down there to go to the beach and play. And then we're gonna look for wild pigs to shoot with.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it sounds like it's about to get western. This is gonna be fun.
I'm putting this here for now.
All right, well, this is typically how a little walk in the woods turns out for us. Spicer dresses mildly inappropriate considering the area or activity, and then Daddy ends up with the princess on his shoulders, and then Daddy's hat ends up getting pushed down over his eyes. But it's okay, because I love the princess and she wants to go to the beach.
Hi, we're going to the beach and we found yellow flowers, and then I cried, and then I was being tough, and then I had briars, and then these are not briars.
And what did you say about the bees?
Yeah,
What about the bees?
I just said them.
You said what?
I said bees to the camera.
Oh, okay.
And now Ashi is the line leader, and then we're going to the beach to play with the beach. And we didn't bring my bathing suit.
Bathing soup.
And then
Right.
I'm on Daddy's shoulders because they're briars. And then there's butterflies. There's a butterfly flying to find flowers they eat.
Yep.
And then there's more briars. And so I'm on Daddy's shoulders, but not briars to get me.
What did you say about our channel earlier?
Subscribe our channel.
Subscribe our channel. Subscribe.
Like our channel.
And like.
Subscribe our channel. And then we have a subscribe our channel. And then give it our thumbs up.
How old are you again, Chili?
4.
4. And how do you know all that stuff?
Chili, Bear, and
How do you know all the stuff about subscribe to the channel and thumbs up?
thumbs up. Subscribe our channel. Get your thumbs up on our thing to tell you about all of our things. And then we go to the beach right now. And
I think we're almost there.
oh yeah.
Oh, spider web. Sorry. Oh, that's a big one.
And I run.
Oh, there's pig poop. Well, we got here to the river beach.
Look, I broke a piece.
We got down here to the river beach, and looks like Hurricane Helene dropped a bunch of trees on the beach here, so there's really no beach. So
Yeah, we gotta go to that one. I think that one's open.
what do you think, it's open over there?
Let's see, Daddy. Look.
What do you think? We finally made it to a 20th of the size of a beach we thought we were going to find.
Mom, can I take my shoes off?
You for sure can take your shoes off.
Yeah.
I'll take mine off too.
I can't take my shoes off. Ew.
You have to let go of your dress.
No, they're not. So, we're gonna come here tomorrow to go to the mud beach, and all she's in grass. Well, I eat some strawberries, not grass because I'm not a dog. I see some purple flowers. Dad, don't step on the purple flowers.
Oh, okay.
And then we're have a great day, and now we're gonna go back home, and we didn't catch any fish. Well, we just went that way to get some fish. Well, didn't went that way. We went that way to see the mud beach. Now we're gonna have a great day. Now we have a great day too. Now we're having a great day. And now we're gonna have a great day. So we're gonna go back home. We didn't catch any fish. She's the line leader. And then bees love flowers. And then we're gonna have a great day. Now,
What was your favorite part of the day?
the muddy beach and going back home.
The muddy beach and going back home?
Yeah, with Snore.
Oh, with Nora. Okay.
So we're Snore, Dad.
All right.
Now, Bye, guys. Subscribe our channel.
Think that's enough?
Not yet. There, no.
Hi, baby. Are you serious? Thank you.
And another one.
Oh, that was a good kick. Hot. It's hot. You better throw it.